What's up, Sonny? Welcome to your 10-minute resistance band workout. Hopefully you guys have multiple bands so we can change that intensity up to fit your needs. That being said, let's go ahead and get to it. What's up, Sonny? It's your Sunday Trainer Chaz today, and welcome to your 10-minute resistant band workout. Hopefully you guys have multiple resistant bands with you to fit your needs. We're gonna get that pump going and we're gonna get it going good, right? Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and grab your band. I'm gonna start with a lighter band. This is a great warm up for your shoulder days, whether you're lifting, and it's also a great workout. What we're gonna do is we're gonna target the posterior deltoid. We're gonna raise the band up just like this. And we're gonna pull out, in, just like that. Let's go ahead and rinse and repeat, just like that. Beautiful. And if you want to make it a little bit more challenging, shorten up on that slack. There we go. Now when you do this, try and keep the wrist straight. Don't let it pull your wrist and keep it bent. Let's keep it straight. We're gonna do this for a full minute. So if you need to stop for a second, feel free, because you're probably gonna start feeling the burn. Like I said, we want to target the posterior deltoid right in there. Just like that, you guys. Go and keep it up. Beautiful. Relax the shoulders. Try not to raise them up. You're gonna tighten up and then shake it out when you need to, and then let's get right back to it. Good job, you guys. Beautiful. Nice and steady. Good job, you guys. We got about 10 more seconds left. Good. And time. Beautiful. Shake it out, shake it out. Now we're gonna work some internal rotation, downward to be specific. And what we're gonna do, again, if you feel like change up resistance, keep it the same you can. Take that band, place it behind on the back heel, raise that arm up, and we're gonna work down and up, just like that. There we go. Again, this is a great warm up for your shoulder days, but at the same time, as you see, it's a great workout depending on your band resistance. Make sure that the elbow doesn't drop below the armpit, and let's keep it up. Ready? And good. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Right into it. Good job. Now, if we're moving a little bit quicker, it's because we want to be right on time. So we're doing that for about 30 seconds per side. All right? Nice and controlled. We don't want to rush through it. We want a nice and controlled movement. Keeping that shoulder being the only thing that's moving. No compensation throughout the body. Okay, we got a couple more seconds. And time. Go and shake it out. All right, so now let's get into some work, right? We all know what lateral raises are, but we're gonna do a single arm lateral raise. So same concept, we're gonna step on that band, and instead of holding it here, we're going to hold the band and squeeze it. From there, we're going to raise, control it down. Just like that. Nice and steady. You guys are working that medial deltoid right here. Couple more seconds. Time. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Right into it, right into it. Good job. Beautiful. And again, we don't want you to have to compensate. Keep that upright. If you are having to compensate, you might need to change the band resistance. Nice and steady. We're almost there. Focus on your breathing. Good. Notice how I'm lifting more so with my elbow. Good. I don't want you to think about getting the hand higher than the elbow. Beautiful. Shake it out. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna step on the band. We're gonna grab it with both hands, and we're gonna go into some forward raises, just like that. Grab it however you feel comfortable for you. I like to actually ball it up and then have it here, just like that. And we want the palms down, because now we're doing the anterior, the front part of your deltoids. I should call this a boulder shoulder workout right here, because you guys are gonna have some boulder shoulders after this. Good job. We got 10 more seconds left, you guys. We're doing this one for 40 seconds. Control it down. And time. Beautiful. Shake it out. Catch your breath. Let's rinse and repeat that, you guys. Go ahead and step on the outside of that band again. Grab it however you see fit. Take a big breath. One more. And we're right into it. Good job. Just like that. Control it in. That's the most important thing when you're working bands. That way you get resistance on both ends of the exercise. We don't want you to go here, slam it down. No. Nice and control. That hurt a little bit, so don't do that. Keep it up. We're almost there. We got about 6 more seconds. Keep the spine straight. And time. Woo! The burn, the burn. I can feel the muscle tearing. That's what we want. Let's get right into it. Again, your timing might be off having to exchange the band to opposite side and set it up the exercise, but it's okay. Like I said, we're doing this for about 30 seconds on each side, so 1 minute total for both these exercises. When we get to our frontal raises, we're doing 40 seconds straight on that one. Couple more seconds. And time. Woo! I would say catch your breath, but we're on the clock. Let's get right back to it. We're on in 3, 2, 1, and good. And if you want to make this a little bit more of a challenge, let's go a little bit wider on that stance. Take up on that resistance. Keep the chest up. There we go, just like that. Breathe. Got 10 more seconds, guys. Push through it, push through it. And time. Woo! Catch our breath, big breath. All right, so let's get a little bit more crazy with it, all right? We're gonna do a shoulder press, you guys. So with that being said, you guys are gonna stand on the band and we're actually gonna press it straight above our head, coming right back down, control. So from here, I'm going to pick it up and I'm here in this position, knees slightly bent, full extension, control it down. Nice control. Beautiful. Like I said, if you want to keep that resistance before, feel free, but I just felt like getting a little bit crazier. Beautiful, you guys. It's a good compound movement. Make sure you keep that core engaged. We're almost there. We got 10 more seconds. Don't let your hips get too far behind you, and don't bring the band behind you to the point where you lose your balance. And time. Woo! The burn. Now, what we're supersetting that with is a bent over row. So we're gonna hinge at the waist, and we're going to step on that band, and we're gonna row. We're gonna pull both of these ends to our pocket, keeping that back straight, and just like that. So here we're working the lats, but we're also working a little bit of the posterior deltoids also. Just like that. Pull straight up. Almost think like you're pulling to your armpit, because we want to get a little bit more shoulder activity than lat activity. You're gonna get both, but like I said, boulder shoulders, you guys, boulder shoulders. Breathe. Keep that back straight. Catch your breath. Keep it up, keep it up. We're almost there. A couple more seconds, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and catch your breath. Woo! We got one more round. Look at that, you guys. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Let's finish it off, you guys. Woo! I know you guys are feeling the pump. Let's go ahead and get in that band, get set up. Like I said, try not to let your back bow too much. And we're on. Let's do it. Let's get active. Straight up, straight down. Nice control. Good. Don't let those elbows flare too far out. Think about keeping them right in line with your band. Because what this is simulating is either a barbell in your hands or a dumbbell. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. We got 15 seconds. Good. Beautiful, you guys. Keep it up. Good, good, good. And time. Beautiful. Woo! Wonderful, you guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Shake the arms out, keep them moving. We don't get tight. Right now, I know you're starting to feel that lactic buildup, so let's keep them moving. All right, we got one more exercise. Let's set it up for position. Go ahead and flatten your band. Let's get on top of it. We're on, in, let's do it. Now, if you notice, my palms are down in a pronated position. If you wanna go supinated, just like this, or neutral, like this, you have that option. Mix it up. Good. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. Focus on your breathing. Excellent, excellent. We're almost there. And time. Ooh, good job, you guys. Look at the pump, look at the pump. Beautiful, you guys, good job. Catch you guys on the next one. That's your 10-minute resistance band workout.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach boxing, mobility, and yoga, plus many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.